Well, as we get into these summer months, we know severe weather chances increase. Storms are just part of the summer season, but it's important to remember safety during these storms, especially when it comes to lightning. Here with more now is William Tackett, also known as the Lightning Rod Man. And William, it's good to have you on the show.
Thank you for having me.
And you were telling us too, very timely, because it's Lightning Awareness Week, a time to really think about safety.
Right. And most people don't think that much about it until something happens to them or their next door neighbor.
And that's kind of how you got into this, because you were telling me about 20 years ago, you and your wife moved to Greenville, and your house got struck by lightning not once, but twice.
Twice. And I told her, I said, we've got to do something. I remember when I was in Germany, southern Germany with the Army, they have lightning rods on McDonald's, on service stations, on motel, everywhere. So I started driving around and asking people, you know, had lightning rods, where'd you get these? Oh, they've been on for 30 years. Said, nobody around here does that. And I thought, geez, this might be something I need to look into, and I did. And we've helped a lot of people.
Over the years. And you said too, especially now, with all the electronics that we have in our homes,
right,
people really need to be aware of this.
Well, we not only put lightning rods on, we go in their main service panel and we hand wire a 100,000 amp surge protector. And that will protect every outlet in the house if it gets struck on the power line. If you don't do that and just put lightning rods on, you're not doing the whole house. And that's how I named my business, Whole House Lightning Protection.
Because you cover the whole house.
The whole house, not just put rods on.
And not just residential too. You were telling me you've done some very large facilities.
Oh yeah, we've done work for Oak Ridge National Laboratories, the University of Tennessee, the dormitories and the library down there. We did rods. Hungry Mother State Park up in Virginia. We go everywhere. We go everywhere.
You actually brought one today just to kind of show us. Tell me a little bit about how it works when it comes to the lightning. How does that protect your home?
Well, if you notice, it's sharp-pointed. Lightning is attracted to sharp-pointed stuff, like grass. If you have a large, that's the reason golf courses get hit a lot. So when the positive charges build up around a building, and then the negative charges for the cloud to come across, they attract one another, and they attract it to this rod, and then it just hits this cable and goes straight to the ground. Even if you have a metal roof, you could pin this right on the metal roof and it will not get on the roof at all, because it's a high resistance and this is a low resistance. Each one of these wires is a separate conductor, see? And current flows on the outside of the conductor, so you got a low resistance. And they work good. You can take a direct hit actually on a house and not even know it. And we've had that happen. I did a house for an airline pilot up Mountain City, and he found a device he put on the cable that went to the ground outside, and he says in 10 years he's had 2 hits on his house, but he didn't know it. It registered.
Wow.
It had a hit.
And you said, what's your favorite saying?
Most people wait until they need something prior to getting it, but if you wait till you need lightning rods, you waited too late.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Absolutely. And I was on your website earlier, and you've talked about just how many homes that we see in this area that unfortunately have not done this and have learned the hard way with house fires.
And some of them are even put on incorrectly. You've had people that say, oh, that looks like I can do that, and they'll get on the internet and buy this stuff, and you say, well, put one here, one there, one there. That's not the way you do it. Underwriters Laboratory Code 96A and the National Light Protection Code 780 tells you the spacing, what kind of rods, what kind of cable, where to put the grounds on different buildings and all that, and that's what we go by. So it's done right.
That's why you need to call the professional, like yourself, who's been doing it for 20+ years, right?
Right, and we switched over to copper for the grounding systems, because if you bury galvanized ground rods, which is what most of these old houses have for lightning rods, after about 15 or 20 years, the acidity in the soil will eat the galvanized off and they'll rust. And so you don't have a good ground. You got the rods on, but they don't have a good ground to go to. And we use copper.
All right, and that's important.
It's important to use copper ground rods. It is.
Well, I tell you what, we'll give everybody your information. Certainly a lot of interesting stuff you've been talking about today. Whole House Lightning Protection. That's the name of his business. He's based out of Greenville, but he goes all over. You can check out the website there, lightningrodman.net, for more information, or just give him a call. William, thanks so much for joining us.
And that has a clip on there from Channel 11 when Steve Grindstaff's house got struck.
I saw that on your Facebook several years ago. We'll take a look.
That's good to watch. Thank you.